filled the car park, we've filled next door's car park, and we're slowly filling up the surface road. And I think we need to fill that surface road. Alright Nathan, what are we doing today?
Alright, as you all know, we now have a factory and we're having a massive open day. We're currently like setting up and getting everything ready 2 hours prior because we know people are going to rock up an hour and a half early. Yeah, it's going to be a massive day. We're a bit nervous.
Very nervous.
But
it's been a big week getting this place ready.
It's been a big week getting this place ready for people to come in, see the new digs. So we're looking forward to a great day.
Yes, so we have no idea what to expect. Could be 10 people, could be 50 people, could be 100 people. We don't know. We have no idea what to expect from this. But, you know, we're hoping everyone has a good time and enjoys the new digs.
Yeah.
There he is. Come on, young man. Hello, gorgeous. How you going? What a turnout.
Is that filling up down there or?
We've filled the car park, we've filled next door's car park, and we're slowly filling up the surface road.
And I think we need to fill that surface road.
Yeah, so we've got a fair few more cars than we were sort of expecting, but so far there's a wicked amount of cars coming through. And a really good mix of cars too.
Yeah, really good mix.
We've been running around crazy just trying to organise everything still, because we're still trying to figure out how all this works, but we're getting there.
Yeah.
But it's awesome to see. It's awesome to see so far. It's pretty cool.
It's overwhelming.
front of the camera is one thing, but this is different. Thanks everyone for coming down. I mean, we didn't expect to have this sort of a turnout. It's crazy, so thanks so much for the support. We'll get to the raffle, I reckon.
Blue D13.
We have a winner. We managed to get someone here, that's good. Thanks so much, guys. Really can't thank you guys enough for supporting what we're doing here. Really good to see that you're enjoying what we're doing here. As long as you guys keep enjoying it, we'll keep trying to do it and do it bigger and better each time we do. So thanks so much for coming down, and much appreciated.
Yeah, we love you all. Thank you very much for watching.
That's terrifying. Tell me about it. What a day. But it is done. The sun is setting on what has actually turned out to be a beautiful day weather-wise. We got lucky.
We got really lucky.
But we are sitting here right now at the end of what is the first ever HACTOry car meet. And it was freaking awesome.
Lost for words, to be honest. I'm talked out.
Which is hard to do.
Yeah.
As anyone would know.
We filled our factory area in a matter of 10 minutes.
Yep. The official start time was 10 o'clock, and I reckon we were full at 9:30.
Yeah.
From the front area all the way to the gates down there, we were pretty much full by 9:30 of cars already.
Yeah.
We started the morning, Nathan and I, getting stuff ready. I was washing my queue at 8 o'clock in the morning before I drove down.
I was watching my full drive, yeah.
Yeah, and sort of scrambled to get over the last few things set up and get it all done, and we managed to get it done just in time, because literally like 9 o'clock people started rolling in.
Yeah.
Just one by one, and then all of a sudden there was just this constant thunder of V8s and 6 cylinders rocking up, and from there on it was just crazy for like a fair few hours too. Actually, people hung around.
Yeah.
For a long time.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Like, we are stoked by the support that people showed, coming out, seeing the new place, buying merch. Like we sold a bunch of merch, which is great because it goes a really long way to supporting what we're doing here, and I think people really enjoyed it and we loved it.
Yeah, we loved talking cars to everyone. I think it was a perfect car community meeting.
Yeah, exactly that.
It was awesome. I enjoyed greeting people in their car and parking them.
Yeah, Nathan was like, you know, the aeroplane guys, the air traffic. Yeah.
Come here, hey, go mate, what's coming?
Yeah, it was full on.
It was an awesome day, and honestly, I can't wait for it to be better, bigger. You know, is there anything we could work on? Maybe let us know if there's something we could possibly work on.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, we want to make things better. You know,
yeah.
We want to do these a lot more often. It's good to meet people, talk to people. If we didn't get to talk to you, sorry. You need to just come up to us and just grab it.
Yeah, exactly right.
Yeah.
Everywhere you went.
I mean, we're not that important, you know. No. It's more about the cars. But if you did want to talk to us, just rip us away.
Yeah, exactly right. It just had such a cool, chilled vibe to it.
Yeah.
Like, the store here was just packed full of people. The Fairlane area and like down towards the Hackshop area was packed, people checking out the new digs, even though there's nothing in there other than a hoist and a suspended Gemini.
I think most people were like, how the hell did you get that hoist in? It's so close to the roof.
The racing simulator got a hell of a workout. I didn't see that stay empty the entire time. There was just, and the kids were on it, adults were on it, everyone was having a ball with it, so that was great to see. I think we're going to need to get a second one.
I think we might need a second one.
So we can do battles. Cars line the entire car park from, you know, around the corner there to the gate, out into the car park out the front, to the car park to the left, the service lane. They were parked on the median strip. The survey down the road apparently was full too. I didn't even get to see all that because I was too busy talking down here, but it was huge. I would love to know how many cars we got.
Yeah, I would too.
And the variety of cars.
Oh, it was awesome.
The variety of cars. We had everything. We had stuff from like early stuff. There was a Nash here, all the way up to like, you know, brand new FGs and VFs and stuff like that. And
it was awesome.
It was good to see.
Yeah.
It was awesome to see. We had the kebab van out the front, and that was packed. I reckon they nearly ran out of meat by the end of the day. So the kebab talk going on there. Had a coffee van out front. The coffee van was flat out as well too. 50 free coffees for the first 50 people. There was crepes. There was cheesesteaks as well too. All those were just packed. It was just it was a busy day. I don't know how many people there were.
I don't know. I was so. I didn't even see Michael the whole time.
No, I thought Nathan went home at some stage. I went, I don't know where he is. People kept saying, where's Nathan? I don't know. I haven't seen him. He shaved his head. I can't recognise him anymore. It's all happening. Tiperformance is here with their stand. They had a bunch of show bags to give to anyone who attended, which is awesome.
Yeah.
That's some really good goodies in there with stuff from Raceworks as well too. Massive thank you to Tiperformance and Raceworks for all the stuff that they gave to us to give to you guys at home, and not only that, but also a raffle. We had a raffle as well too. A raffle here that we gave away some awesome stuff. I'm looking at it now. We gave away like first prize is a thread tester, a King Chrome toolkit, like to the value of $500, a $1,000 Raceworks voucher to be spent at Tiperformance, and then like second prize we had Hackshop Garage fender covers, some bully liner, a $500 gift card for Raceworks stuff, and third prize we had a couple of hoodies, stickers, and $250 gift card to the winner of that, and it was awesome. We love being able to give back to you guys at home, because it's you guys at home that are making all this possible and is making this dream what we're trying to build here, which to most people probably sounds absurd and financially was very absurd when Nathan and I said, let's do this. But seeing today cemented in our minds that we're onto something here.
Yeah.
We're building something that people really want to be a part of and people are really getting a kick out of. And that is what this is supposed to be.
Yeah.
So even though this one was big, the next one I reckon will be bigger.
It can be bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have to say a huge thank you to everyone behind the counter today, which helped us out with the merch sales and the raffle tickets and all that sort of stuff. Massive thank you. We could not have done that without you, because Nathan and I just spent the whole day talking.
Yeah.
That's all we could do. We selfishly had a ball. And we got to walk around. I still didn't get to see all the cars, but yeah, they were stuck in here.
They were stuck in here.
And I'm telling you, as soon as like 10 o'clock hit, it was like, woof, everyone was here. It was bloody wicked.
It was awesome.
That was one of the best days I've ever had, I reckon. Well done. What an effort. Put it in perspective, Nathan and I have been here every day, all week, just preparing for this. Putting on the final coats of paint, literally, getting the hoist in.
We got the hoist running last night.
Yeah, the Gemini was literally the test bed to the first ever hoist lift.
Yeah.
And it hasn't fallen down yet, so we think we're doing alright.
Yeah.
Working on the simulator to get that ready so that people can have a crack at that. Getting all the stands and everything set up, and I tell you what, it was worth every minute of just hard work to get done, because yeah, I am done. I'm tired, I'm talked out, I'm losing my voice. I'm ready for bed. But could not have asked for a better day. It was wicked.
It was smooth.
I cannot wait for the next one. The next one will be even better.
I know, I want to hold it next weekend.
I know. We also have to say a huge thank you, obviously, to you guys at home for coming out. There were people that came from Wangaratta, Shepparton, Bendigo, like people that drove ages away to come down and say hello to us and check out the factory here, and that is just very humbling and it's amazing. Thank you to everyone that attended. Thank you to everyone for also being responsible and not leaving, doing anything stupid or anything like that. Because at the end of the day, if we want to keep doing stuff like this, we want to make sure that we're being responsible and respectful for everyone around us. If we keep that up, there should be no issues with going bigger and better in the future. So thank you for everyone for being responsible and not doing anything silly. We really do appreciate that. We want to do this again. We will do this in a few months' time. Hold a big one again, I reckon. Probably when summertime rolls around, we'll try and hold another big public event again.
Yeah.
But if you're really keen, like we are, and you want to jump in on another one, the smaller ones that we want to hold, every month we're going to be holding private Hackshop Garage members only meets here at the factory. To get involved with that, you need to be a Hackshop Garage member, which you can do. You can sign up now on the website. I'll put the link in the description. Head on over, become a Hackshop Garage member. You get a bunch of member benefits like discounts in the Hackshop Garage store. We're working on loyalty discounts with our supporting sponsors as well too. You can also sign up for Club Rego as well too. That's all ready to go now. All the information is now ready on the website. If you want to head on over, you can read up all about it. It's got all our pricing, everything that you need to do, forms that you can fill out, send to us, and then we'll get in contact with you and tell us what you need to do to make this process as smooth as we possibly can.
Yeah.
All that now is available at the Hackshop Garage website. So, if you do want to get involved and hang out with us on a monthly basis and do this sort of thing, become a member. We'll send you out exclusive emails and stuff to let you know what's happening, because not only we only just do members meets like this, we'll also do stuff like private cruises and stuff like that.
Yeah.
To give back to the members supporting us,
Yeah.
That's what we want to do. We want to make it value for money.
Yeah, exactly.
Everyone wants value for money, right? And also monthly giveaways as well too, to members only as well. Anyway.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe, head to the store, all that kind of stuff. I don't know if there's any merch left. I had to do a massive reorder. That's crazy. What a day, huh?
Bedtime.
Definitely bedtime.
No, we've got to pack up.
Yeah, now we got to pack up, get all the cars home, and clean everything up, and get the factory back into a workshop again. So we can do some work. Anyway, until the next one.
Until the next one.
Well done again. Thanks, everybody.
I don't know, we're not going to get it though.
Where are you off to? Milk bar?
the candy shop. Oh, sick. Yeah, that's perfect.
So this is our racing sim. We played with one the other day as King Graham headquarters. We thought we need one for the factory as well too. So we pieced this together from second-hand parts. We bought all this second-hand. Raceworks are kind enough to give us a steering wheel and a seat for it. This is like the second time I've ever got to use it too. Nathan's been playing it all week. He's had no work done. Oh. James Mackey, watch out. Ah! This is why Nathan's the driver of the two of us, not me.